Juicing takes too much time. If you've ever thought this, stick around because I'm going to show you just how easy and quick juicing can be. So here's what you're going to learn by the end of our talk tonight. I'm going to show you how juicing can actually be quick and easy with the right strategies. You'll learn how to seamlessly fit juicing into your busy schedule, and you'll learn why taking a few minutes to juice is going to save you hours of feeling miserable and unwell. I'm your host, Kelly Rochelle, and if we've never met, at the age of 63, I learned how to heal myself from stage 3 breast cancer. I completed a 153-day juice fast, lost over 30 pounds, and I learned how to master my mind to stick to it. Now I'm on a mission to help other women over 40 also reach their personal health goals naturally. So, is juicing too time consuming? Well, let's start by busting this myth wide open. Many people believe that juicing is time consuming, especially for busy women who are juggling work, family, and personal time. But guess what? With the right tips and tricks, juicing can be a quick and easy and incredibly rewarding part of your daily routine. The reality is, with a few smart strategies, juicing can be just as quick as making a regular meal or snack. Plus, the benefits you get from those few minutes of preparation are totally worth it. So, let me start by giving you some practical tips, okay? So, number 1, start with batch preparation. What I mean by that is that you'll spend a few minutes once or twice a week washing, chopping, and storing your produce. That way, when you're ready to juice, everything is already prepped and you just have to throw it into the juicer. That can save you a lot of time during the week. But let's face it though, it is going to take some time, right? Just the same way if you're going to cook something or prepare a meal, it takes time, right? Eating takes too much time. You don't say that, right? You take however much time you need. Or else you go to a fast food joint and get some junk. But you got to take some time for yourself. I mean, it's just all there is to it. You have to take some time to take care of yourself. So yes, it's going to take some time, but I'm going to tell you some ways for it to take less time. Okay? So how about that? Again, by, prepping all at once. So, just take one whole day out of the week. I usually use Sundays and just, wash it all up, chop it all up, put it in your Ziploc bag and store it up. That way when you're ready, it's ready to go. And that's going to save you a lot of time there. Now, another thing you can do is you are going to want to invest in a quality juicer. A good juicer really can make all the difference. A good juicer can make a glass of juice in really just a few minutes so that you can set aside 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes in the evening for this quick health boosting habit. So look for a juicer that's easy to clean and efficient. And trust me, it's really, really worth the investment. And I would also highly recommend that you start with simple 3-ingredient recipes. For example, a combination of spinach, apple, and cucumber is quick to make, packed with nutrients, and super delicious. Really quick to make. And here's a bonus tip. Be sure to rinse your juicer immediately after use. That way it keeps the pulp from drying and sticking, because if you wait a while, it's going to get dry and it's going to be harder to clean. So you can use a brush to clean it, the nooks and crannies, and some juicers even have dishwasher safe parts. That's also going to save you a lot of time because cleanup can be somewhat time consuming, but if you rinse it right away, it helps a lot. All right, now here's some other tips on how to get prepped up like a pro. I want to talk about storing your ingredients before an event. Take some time at the beginning of the week or whatever day that you choose to wash and chop your fruits and vegetables in an airtight container in the refrigerator. You can also freeze portions of the fruits and vegetables and pull them out of the freezer a few minutes before you're ready to juice. Let them thaw slightly and juice them from there. And if you're really pressed for time in the morning, you can even do your juices the night before. Store them in mason jars in the refrigerator. Give them a good shake before you drink them, and then you're good to go. Okay? So let's talk about some on-the-go solutions for those really busy days. Now you can actually prepare juice packs. And so what do I mean by that? And that's a little bit different. It's going to have all the necessary ingredients of one juice in one bag. So it's kind of like a smoothie pack, but for juice. So again, instead of having like, all your cucumbers in this bag, your carrots in this bag, or spinach in that bag, you can make one whole bag with all the ingredients of the juice all together, right? And then that way you can just put all those ingredients and just throw them in the juicer. And that's just a really quick time saver. So in the morning you can just grab a bag, toss in the ingredients into your juicer, and you're good to go. They also have portable juicers as well, and you might want to consider investing into a portable juicer that you can take to work or on trips. They're like small, and they're like easy to clean, perfect for fresh juice on the go. And they're also typically relatively inexpensive as well. Also, if you're out and about, bring your juices with you in a reusable bottle, and that way you can enjoy your healthy drink wherever you are. All right. Finally, let's talk about why juicing is even worth the effort, right? Because as I said, there is an effort involved. It's not just going to happen magically, but why is it worth the effort? Well, for one, juicing will increase your energy. Fresh juice provides a natural energy boost that can keep you going throughout the day. Juicing also improves your digestion. They're easier in your digestive system, allowing your body to absorb nutrients quickly and efficiently. And regular juicing strengthens your immune system, making you better able to fight illnesses. So hopefully you think that you and your body are worth the effort, So does juicing take some time? It does. Juicing does take some time. But with the right preparation and the right mindset, it's going to be time well spent. All right, my lovelies. So if you've been holding back on juicing because you think it's too time consuming, I hope tonight's session has shown you that it's really doable, even for the busiest of us. It's a simple and efficient and incredible way to nourish your body. And remember, taking a few minutes to juice can save you hours of feeling tired, sluggish, and unwell. I recommend that you go ahead and listen to this video again. I suggest that you listen to it more than once. Take some notes and utilize it. Because again, juicing is not too time consuming. You know what's time consuming? Spending time in the doctor's office. That's what's time consuming. Okay? If you're tired of endlessly trying to achieve your health goals on your own, only to end up back at square one, frustrated, with programs that have promised results but leave you disappointed, then it's time to break free from that cycle with the Juicy Living Heals personalized coaching program. So if I offered to create a customized health blueprint just for you, provide expert guidance and motivation, and help you achieve sustainable health-changing results, would you take me up on that offer? Well, if you will, go ahead and leave me a comment below and just say yes, and I will get you all the details. All right? All right, so we're going to keep this one short today. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you so much. Join me again for another fabulous topic. Love you all. Take care.